I have kind of a modern Niçoise salad here. So I have some tuna, a little bit of olive oil in there just to kind of keep it moist. Then we have some tomato. We have a little bit of green beans. I have some egg white right there. So kind of lighter, blander flavors because we are adding something that has a lot of flavor in the olive and a lot of salt in the olive itself. I'm just going to put a little bit on my serving vessel here.
Oh, I thought those were scallions or green beans.
Yep, little green beans, sliced extremely thin, just kind of done in a different way. Nothing too fancy, nothing that people can't do at home. A little bit of egg white. You can pop the egg yolk in there too, but I think we get enough fat from the oil foam that we're going to be putting on top. Now, the best part is if I were to cool this, if I chilled this all the way down in the refrigerator, I could cannelle it and put it right on top. And if you don't have the ability to do that, or you just don't know how to do it, then I would suggest just pop it into a whipping siphon, and then you can put a little bit right on top. So I'm just going to finish these off really quick. Yeah, and a little something if you want to garnish with any other, components that you feel fit that go on a Niçoise salad, or add any other flavor. We made an amazing peanut butter foam out of this. I've wanted to make a cookie butter foam out of it too. So you get all it looks exactly like peanut butter. It's really aerated. It tastes like peanut butter. And then I took our honey granules and I sprinkled that over the top, and it made a really nice little dessert.
I would put that over ice cream.
Yeah, there's a ton of different things you can do with this.